But the main point is when we will have all this new generation of people who will have, even before they get a debt to get a house or something, they will have a debt, a mortgage on their own head, on their brain. They will have a mortgage on their head because they will have tens of thousands of dollars, and in the States it goes to $100,000, $250,000 of debt. This means that the future will be stolen for these people because they will be deprived of the freedom of choice to decide what they will do with their time later on. Because it will be so that the next 10 to 20 years, 30 years will be dedicated to refunding the debt that they had contracted while studying. So it means that your time in the future is being written in advance. It's stealing time from people. And of course this will have even more perverse effects because it's a measure of social control and discipline. Why am I saying social control and discipline? Because the government in the UK wants to publish the salary of the people who have a diploma. And so when you choose the program that you will study in, you'll be able to look at how much money the people made in the past from that diploma. So you choose your program in function of the money that it will give you. And why when you do this? Because when you have lots of debt and the tuition is very high, then you are naturally compelled to engage yourself in some kind of strategic calculation. And this is what they call the students at the heart of the system. It's the name of the white paper of the British government. Students at the heart of the system means students are consumers. We will give them maximum freedom as consumers, but we will also make sure that they don't use that freedom to go and study in something smart. So we'll give them lots of debt to make sure that they have to calculate and direct themselves in the areas of the field of studies that we deem that are relevant and of quality. Of course, relevance and quality are nice words, but for the OECD and the World Bank and for the IMF and all these people, quality and relevance of education is basically something that stems from the ability of education to have a positive effect on the GDP, which is the increase of the gross domestic product, I mean the wealth of the economy.